Rugwe Deol is still trying, but Atish, brilliant snatch from him. Ishant Sharma sets it up. Atish, if he can contribute to the attack, but no, Harshit. Rugwe Deole. Rugwe Deole, a lot of space. The pass comes in, James! A one-on-one. Downwards by Vicky. Rugwe Deole misses. Ralph, opportunity. Not bad. Harshit. Lyo directly goes for the goal. Oh my goodness, that was one hell of a second half has ensured that we are back to square one, 1-1. Here's a chance. The deflection is problematic. Oh, real goal. That is ridiculously good, James. I mean, there were not very spectacular goals. Of course, it's a bad day at office for Harshidore. Here comes the chance. James to put it in. Goal scored. Third one claimed. One more and the draw might be intact. If they can get the ball in. Rugwe Deole. Atish runs away with the ball. Atish still going forward. Lalit somehow gets a snatch comes in. And that could be opportunity. Mama's boys. One good ball will do it. Ishant Sharma. That's a goal. Chris, number 9, to strike it in like his jersey. Sharma still waiting. Neil Sangvi. And that is Chris trying to get the ball in. Neil, Nikhil, and that is Neil getting. That's a good fake. Might put us past. That could be opportunity. Manish. He'll not get the finishing blow. Sharma. That's a good ball. Chris, if he can get it done. Lalit. Keeper Law allows him to. Vicky. Rugwe Deole tries to turn. Atish is beaten. And chance here for Rugwe Deole, who doesn't make any mistake. 4-5. Can this still happen? And then finishes it off. Chris. Here's a tackle. Chance here. Ralph. Counter snatch. Here's opportunity to score it in. Mama's boys, if they can seal the deal. And yes, they will. No mistake made. Sean with his right foot cracks it open. 6-4. And here's opportunity for the 7th one. Ishant Sharma. Yes. 7. Ishant. Cross coming in. Manish tries the volley. That could have been. Again to Abbas. A really good pass towards the inside. Usman. And that is Aniket flicking it in. Clinical, beautiful, and the first goal is claimed. Usman has an assist. Sumit Bhandari, and this is open opportunity for Qasim. He's trying to get the nutmeg clearance, and that is stretch coming in. Abbas, well done by Anuj. Very clever usage. Shri, here's opportunity for Sumit Bhandari. The 1-2, let it work out. Oh, that was very close. Satish to get the defensive move. Abbas still has the ball. Melvin, he's fresh on the field. He'll try. Anuj collects. Left. Kedar Davi, awkward touch. Kedar Davi might go for it. He plays a pass. Abbas, nearly inside. And Abdullah Khan going toe to toe. The ball is still in play somehow. Sumit Bhandari, rocketing strike with it. Running out. Ghana, they get the turn. Sri Molangiri tries. The flick was good. Usman, he had Ishwar. Sri, and that's a really good tackle from Abdullah Khan. But the strike from Abhishek. Abhishek tries. Satyam. Bounce. Gokte, here's a pass that should be in. It's not foot. He'll set it up for Avinash, who tries. Blocked by Gautam. Ron Gokte on the rebound. Collects the ball. Gavri. Kalpak still. Kalpak tries. And that is going to be a goal scored. Kalpak nets the ball in with his right. Rotates the ball. Avinash. One chop to the right. He plays the ball behind. Nihal. Toe pokes it in. Rebound is definitely a change maker. Avinash tries. Not bad, not bad. Gokte. Avinash. And that is a pass coming in. That will be Harshad getting good block. Prevention on top of everybody, regardless whether they have the ball or not. Here's comes Kalpak. Pritam gets a save. Upwards with the left foot. He'll find Shubham Potgar, and that is problematic. Forza Deccan. Situations where you actually need to open up and make the opponent run around. Oh, that's a really good try. That's going to hit the... They'll get the 3 points. But it's a goal difference. And Ron Gokte tries. Pritam somehow closes the legs. Gokte. And Gokte tries. Pritham gets a fantastic save. Kalpak, he'll set it up for a teammate or go for it. Ball by Gokte. And he has given the ball away. Gokte. This could be fatal. Tarun saves. Nihal. Oh, Nihal. Glorious for Zarakan. Opportunities brewing. That is a great tackle. Gautam. Pritham, another block. Gokte is going to hit the post. What is this? Oh my God. Here comes a pass. The goal is open. It's going to hit the post and then go up. Portgun sets it up. Gautam. Oh goodness. 1-1. Gautam Ranavre. He'll put it in. 1-1. Two-man down. And the one. Avinash clinical on the ball. And that is Avinash trying. Pritham gets a save. Swen puts out a pass. Chako. Pass is available. Swen, if he's looking for a cross, but that is going to hit the player. Simple one to collect. Nani doesn't exactly get the ball, but Sven strikes. It's not going to hit the top. Tap the ball out of control. And that's a really good challenge. Stan wins the ball. Ashish. Shri. Breakers. Good cross in. Oh, that was opportunity. Here's a pass at the back. Ashish. Opportunity. Ashish. And Rajo saves the day. The first time he is substituted in. Here's an interception. Tanish. He'll get the ball out towards Ashish. Rajo. Here's the ball in straight language. Cow trying to get the ball in. Chance here. Rajo saves it again. Double save. Scurries forward with the ball. Here's a pass. Opportunity for Pritish. Rajo stretches. Beautiful goal. Stan has lost the ball. This is Sachin. Oh, beautiful goal. Sachin. That cross is delivery of defiance. And the goal scoring will be done by Cow. Chako. Is he given room to turn and shoot? He has speeded himself into the left bottom corner. It's Shri. And Shri almost losing the ball. Oh, beautiful. The win streak stays alive. What is happening? Colts. Alright, that's a wide field view for the goalkeeper. And he'll try a shot by himself. Sean's deflections can result in a goal. Harshato to rocket it in. And I think that was much easier for Krishna to collect. Regardless, Suryan runs away with the ball. Shan losing the ball. Mavericks get the ball back. Ayush with the snatch. This could be the chance. The ball towards Saad, who tries to square it in. Simple goal. Saad, it's a beautiful goal. Intercepted by Harsh Rathod. He has given the ball away to Ayush. Friendly fire, and this might work out. Krishna, that was self. Suryan through the legs, and that should be Ayush. He snatches. There is Gaurav Swami. His shot is flying. Okate. Gaikwad. And Gaikwad might try to shoot it in. Saved by Sean. The shot get in. Swami. He's speeding away. Swami tries to put it in. Sean Zagare somehow gets it in. Swatej. And that was KJ tries to get a chop. Setup plays available on the right. Krishna. Saad. This is saved by Gaikwad. Between the two players. Since the field is wide, unlike the previous occasions. And Ayush gets a good turnout. Sean Zagare in the slow nudge towards the backwards. Kokade lets it out. Suryan, the goal is open. The goal is scored. Suryan doesn't make mistakes. Second one claim for Mavericks. The one. Vivan sets it up behind. Swami tries. Really good goal. That is going to be a costly one. Swatej. And now Amar FC. Still moving forward. Oh, that is a scary long range ball. Krishna. Krishna chops it in. And that is a clean goal. Krishna with the assist. Suryan doubles his tally. Swatej. Long range ball. This could be in. Shouldered in. Vivan still trying. Oh, that's a Ayush. To take this free kick perhaps. He'll play a feint pass. That didn't work out. How? That well done by Vivan. Still dribbling. Still going. Swatej if he tries. Ah, Swatej so close. That wasn't the most powerful passes. That could have worked out as a goal still. Sean Zagare. He's gonna hit into the goalkeeper. Swatej, very risky, very open. Saad will claim the second one. Really well done.